Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Tecno phone system sound setting, how to use it. And today friends I will show you guys how to turn on dial pad tone and how to use it. Actually guys, what is dial pad tone and how to on and use in Tecno mobile? Today friends we are going to talk about one by one and step by step I will show you. So without this time guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can on your dial pad tone from your sound and vibration setting. Sound and vibration, you will click here, scroll it. Sound and vibration guys, you can see other sound and vibration setting, system sound setting, dial pad tone first one. So we will on from here right side. After on guys, how to use guys, you will have to on guys your dial pad. So guys, I will on my dial pad guys. So friends, we will on dial pad means phone, and friends click on your dial pad, and friends now guys we will enter any number, example like 000 on. Friends you can see your background with this sound. Friends you can see dial pad tone is on. So guys we call it dial pad tone. After on guys we can use like that, and friends you don't want to use guys, you want to off, so click on phone setting, and guys how to off guys, click on search bar, and get direct guys you can off from here your dial pad tone direct guys. You can see dial pad tone we can off from. After guys come on your dial pad page, and friends you can see we can enter number without any sound. So like that guys we can on, and friends we can use, and you want to off, so you can off from your phone settings search bar direct, and friends you can on your sound and vibration to off your dial pad tone on and off. So like that guys we can on and off dial pad tone in Tecno phone device, and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys. Before going, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel guys.